Following an almost perfect technical correction, the EUR's movement came to a standstill. Even yesterday's data on inflation in the United States could not drive it. This is largely due to the fact that the key measure of prices paid by US consumers remained unchanged in January. The pound sterling, which has been extending gains over the past few months, seems to finally show signs of a long-awaited correction. Since the very opening of the European session, the British currency has been gradually decreasing. The dynamics of European currencies clearly indicates that they do not have any strength left to advance further. The market is obviously waiting for a motive for starting massive purchases of the US dollar. Perhaps today's data on jobless claims in the United States will become such a motive, if the indicator points to a confident recovery in the US labor market. Thus, weekly initial claims are expected to decline slightly. More importantly, continuing claims are also anticipated to drift lower. A further rebound in the US labor market is beneficial to the entire economy as a whole. Therefore, this should be enough for steady gains in the American currency. Following a steep rise from the pivot point of 1.1950, the euro-dollar pair found resistance in the range between 1.2130 and 1.2150. Then the market slowed down and the quotes stagnated in the area of 1.2112 and 2145. The fact that the price has stopped moving up is a positive sign, indicating a possible corrective downward movement. However, such a narrow amplitude, lasting more than 24 hours, can lead to a cumulative effect and, as a result, a resumed bullish run. According to the trading chart, the euro-dollar pair is still moving within a narrow range between the levels of 1.2112 and 2145, as if it's preparing for new price hikes. In this situation, the best tactic is to trade with a view of breaking through one or another border of the range and receive local momentum. Traders are recommended to open long positions above 1.2155, aiming at 1.2185, and short positions can be opened below 1.2110 with a target at 1.2090 and 2070. And the pound-dollar pair continues to hit new highs of the medium-term trend. This time the price has reached the level of 1.3865. Please remember that the pound sterling is highly overbought. Therefore, we may see a downward technical correction if there is any slight change in the market. At the same time, speculators rule the market, causing undue price increases. According to the trading chart, the price is still trading at the peak of the midterm trend. In case the price breaks through the current high, speculators will have every chance to drag the British currency even higher to the levels of 1.2900 and 2950. When going long, be quickly change your position in the event of a technical correction. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.